Get ready for smoother and smarter travel across Europe. Starting October 12, 2025, the EU's new entry-exit system will replace passport stamps with digital border checks using facial and fingerprint recognition.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance.
The European Union will officially launch its long-awaited Entry-Exit System, or EES, on October 12, 2025, marking a major shift toward digital border management across Europe. The new system will replace traditional passport stamps with biometric registration and will be introduced gradually across 29 European countries over 6 months, with full rollout expected by April 10, 2026. During its 80th meeting at EU LISA headquarters in Tallinn, the EES ETR's advisory group confirmed that all EU member states are technically ready to begin operations. The EES is part of the EU's broader effort to modernize its external borders. It will digitally record the entry and exit of all non-EU travelers entering or leaving participating countries for short stays, whether or not they need a visa. Countries covered by the EES include all Schengen members and associated states such as Iceland, Norway, Switzerland, and Liechtenstein, as well as Bulgaria and Romania. The EES does not introduce new visa requirements. Travelers who can already visit the EU without a visa, such as for short stays of up to 90 days within any 180-day period, will keep that privilege. However, the digital system will make it easier for border authorities to identify those who overstay or misuse visa-free entry. EU citizens, residents, and holders of long-stay visas are exempt from EES registration, as are nationals of Andorra, Monaco, San Marino, and the Vatican. Certain groups, such as non-EU residents with valid residence permits, train crews, and diplomatic travelers, will continue to use existing border procedures. All personal data collected by the EES will be protected under strict EU privacy laws, including the General Data Protection Regulation. Access will be limited to authorized border, immigration, and visa authorities, as well as law enforcement agencies and Europol, under specific conditions. As member states finalize preparations and begin implementation, travelers can expect a smarter, faster, and more secure experience at European borders. Are you ready for the ESS rollout? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.